Hey guys, welcome back to Pick a Card with Nisara Gowda channel. So today I'm back with another Pick a Card video for you guys on the topic, whose mind are you on? You They can be anyone you wish to, or they can be anyone you have in your thoughts. Whose mind are you on? Okay, this is very interesting and very curiosity question to ask. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel still, please take a moment to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon too. You can also already see some pictures on the cards, so select any one option. The timestamps for your option or for your card is given in the description. Please go there and go to your reading. I shall see you soon all in your reading. Okay, till then, bye bye. Hey option 1 people, those who choose the option 1, so your reading is here for the question, whose mind are you on? Option 1, those who choose the first card, this is for you. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. Very first card, let me keep it here. Whose mind are you on? Option 1. I'm very curious to know this also now. Whose mind are you on? For the second card, let me pull one more for you and go to the reading. Whose mind are you on? Option 1. Okay. Oh, we got two cards. Fine. Just keep it here. Keep it here. So we shall see this. Okay, you got the very first as a Page of Pentacles, and then the Ace of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Very beautiful card. From this I can see that you are in someone's mind who is younger than you, for sure, who is younger than you, or someone around you, option 1, who actually act like a child, around you without any intention. They randomly speak without knowing exactly about the matter, exact matter. This person actually speaks random things with you, option 1. This can be anyone, your school friend or a college friend, your benchmate, or anyone around your a lab partner. They can be anyone. You are in their mind, this person, whoever you are with. It can be someone with whom you're dealing your business, who is your partner, business partner. I think that person is younger than you, or just have entered into the field or where you are. I think this person is attracted to you, option 1. um, uh, they have you in their mind, for sure. This person have you in your mind. This person is younger than you. Okay. With the Ace of Swords, I can see this person, though this person is younger in age, but this person is very knowledge or very intelligent person, who actually don't make random decision or don't take random decision. They think and they take. They really value where they are. They are proud of where they are, and they make surrounding people feel like this person knows something about about this matter, or something about where we are dealing. Okay. This person is powerful, but they don't act up in front of others. With the Eight of Swords, they don't act up in front of you. Okay, they don't act up in front of you. They have power, they have this decision making, or they're very good at their career. They are normal in front of others, but when it comes to you, they feel like get tied up, or they don't speak at all. They feel like option 1, whenever you go in front of this person get shy or get nervous, or they sit in a same place. They don't even come out because you are there. Option 1, because you are there, because of this person is like a bit of frustrated, because they have you on their mind. They're a bit conscious when it comes to you. If you go there in front of them, they really become conscious. Okay. With the Ten of Pentacles, this person is full of abundance. You are in that person's mind, who is full of abundance, who really has a very good and a positive future. Like, they're full knowledgeable. They're very hardworking people who have done so much of hard work to reach here. But this person is younger but full of knowledge, full of financial stability, who is very good at communication. But when it comes to you, they become mouth shut situation, like they don't even open their mouth. You are in that type, that person's mind. Option 1, just think who is that around you, who is younger than you, knowledgeable, who have done very hard work to reach there, but when it comes to you, they don't speak at all. I can see that this person don't speak at all. When it comes to you, they don't even open their mouth. Okay. With the Queen of Cups and Knight of Cups. Okay, this person is someone, when it comes to you, option 3, I think this person don't talk to you, but they always dream about you. They always have you in their mind. Yeah. They hold you in their mind or in their heart. They have kept you in their heart, and they daily dream about you. They are lost in within you, or they are lost right now. They are full of love, like holding that heart in their hand. Like you can see the Queen of Cups, they're holding heart in their hand. They're holding heart again and again. So I think this person love you. That is why you are there in their mind. You are kind of attraction for them, like you really attract them. It can be, I'm hearing like an office environment, or where you work, or somewhere group work kind of situation. I think this person is too attracted to you. They're holding their heart and thinking, when shall I give it, or when shall I share it? I don't even speak. Okay, see, this person is rejecting their opportunities for you. This person feels like this person is someone who is a moody kind, or someone who does random things. When it comes to you, they really does a random things. They don't think twice. What is this all about? This person thinks you're already in relationship, or something is blocking them here. They are too much thinking about you. They're full of concentration. They think a lot about you. See, the devil is a major arcana, so this thing affects a lot here. This person is too much obsessed of you. Option 1, they really need you. They really want you. They are too much into you. They think about you. They dream about you. Whenever they sit, they always go to your dreams, or go to your thinking. When you come in front of them, they really become mouth shut, or feel like they don't even speak. They are keeping their heart or their love proposal. They watch you from a very far, but I think this person is too much obsessed with you. That obsession has gone to the higher level. This one is someone younger than you. Option 1, think who is that in your surrounding. It can be someone, your partner, who have just joined to your career, just joined to the job, and saw you, who is walking around you in the office. Or it can be a junior, just joined your college, just joined to study. It can be any very much smart, and of course it should be okay, because this person is smart, but when it comes to you, they don't speak. They feel like mouth shut situation. Right now they're getting many options, but they're rejecting it because they're too much into you. This obsession, this temptation is going. I think this person wants more than just a love, because I think this person is like moving with you or getting into you, like more than just conversation. This person wants more than that. Like they really want to be close with you. They really want to be close in every way. I'm not saying this person has a bad intention, but I feel like okay, I think this person also wants to be with you forever, or deal with you with their business, or be you to be their business partner. This person wants to be with you always. They full of cups. I got total cups cards for you, option 1. So I think this person love you. They want to be with you, and this is someone younger. This can be your junior, as I told you. and you can relate this to someone elder around you. They really want to be with you, they really want to, they're obsessed with you, they have kept you in their mind, and they're becoming like they love fever, love fever, they're feeling it right now. They're thinking deep into you, deep into you. There are other options coming their way, they're still not able to see that, okay, because they're too much into you. Option one, they want to be with you. It can be any type of relationship. I don't know what type of relationship these people are dreaming about, but they want to be with you. See, they want to make family with you. They have already made a dream where you are their wife, or you are their husband, you are their dream partner, and you both have some children also. Let me pull some last card for you. Option one, the last card of the reading. The last card of the reading. What is the final conclusion? Someone, you can relate this to person who really does a work, a random work. They don't think twice before doing this work, just do it. But when it comes to you, see, when it comes to you, they really make shut their mouth, they really don't open up, or they make they make face like an innocent face with strength, okay. But this person is acting around you. Option one, I'm damn sure this person is acting around you like they don't speak. They really observe you very far, from afar. They're full of abundance, they don't have nothing less in their life. So relate this to someone in your life, okay, someone who is having strength to manage situation, but really powerful, really intelligent, full of knowledge. But when it comes to you, they does random things, or they don't do anything, they just sit in the corner. I think this person is expecting more than love, closeness in the everywhere. I feel like this person is younger than you, but smart enough, okay, to make any decision. They're smart enough to make any decision. They can balance any situation very well with a strength card. Okay, that is all for the option one. If you guys like the video, then give me that big thumbs up. Guys, follow me on Instagram, the ID link will be in the description. Please to subscribe, please consider subscribing my channel, okay. I shall see you in your very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Hey, option 2 people, those who choose the option 2, so your reading is here for the question, whose mind are you on? Let me pull some cards for you. Option 2. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please guys subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon too. You guys can also follow me on Instagram, the ID link will be in the description, okay. We got a Queen of Wands, we got King of Pentacles. I'm damn sure this person is elder, elder than you, damn sure. Option 2, this person who on whose mind you are on, like for the question, you are in someone's mind who is elder than you, who is very stable in their position, who has a very good experience, okay, who has a very good experience where you are right now. This experience, if you are in a job, so you are in someone's mind who is having a worst experience in the job, or who is the main leader of the group you are dealing with, or who is having a very settled position in their life. They got their they're getting the salary, they're earning every month, they're earning a very good amount in their every month or every week also, very good money, or very much rich, I can say. Someone who is elder than you, who actually care you, who actually take care of whoever come to them, whoever go to them. Actually they care to them, or they really nurture them, they really show affection to you guys. Someone who is elder, who is settled in their life, you are in their mind. They actually care people. Whenever people goes to them or ask for the help, they really care a lot, take care of it a lot. Be careful, this person is having power. They can, okay, this is confirmed that you are in someone's mind who is the head of the group, or someone guiding you. It can be your college, in your college, okay, you are studying. Option 2, if you are studying, then this is someone in the college. It can be a who guides you in the college, lecturer, or someone who really guides you to be in the right way. If you are doing some project, the head of the project. If you are doing some research work together, who is you will be under someone who actually guide you. That guide, you can relate to that person's mind, who really guide you, really guide a group. It can not only be your group, someone, it is like who guides you, who guides people, who guides a group. who really make them to follow their beliefs. But this person is also someone with power who can actually make you feel lost something, or this person can also take something from you, some power from you. Or this person can, okay, this person is someone really impact on you, like their decision really impacts on you, their decision really affects your future. They can protect you, or they can really um, take some power from you, or they can really protect and do the opposite of it. They can do both of the things right now. They're full of power. You can relate to that person. If there is someone elder than you who really care, who is very stable in their career, or who are really getting a very good amount of salary, or something like that. Option 2, who is head, or someone guides you, or someone the head of the company, or a manager, head of a particular group. I think you can relate this type of person, okay, who is head, controlling a group. This person is having a very much power in them. They can do anything they wish to. This person's decision definitely impact on you. Okay, what any decision this person makes definitely impact on you. You are in someone's mind who is like this type of person. Okay, let us see what else about this person can I say you. I'm feeling like it's okay. With the Tower card, I think this can be someone you already had relationship and you broke very badly, or that person broke the relationship very badly, or something happened to your relationship and everything broke, or your beliefs broke, and everything broke in between you, and that person is again having you in their mind. This can be your ex. Option 2, it can be your ex. Something happened, relationship went down or broke down, and this person again is having you on their mind. You know about them very well. If you have too much of exes, I can give you a clue. This person is already settled in their life. They have some stability in their life. They have some money, coins are coming in, very good number of coins are coming in, and they are leading a group, or they are someone who is the main in charge of a particular business, or someone who really guides people who come to them. Okay, like that type of person who really has a very good power, vast amount of power, who people really scare to them, or people respect them, or people actually scare to them, not respect. Something happened, you broke down, beliefs are broken down, you are no more with this person, but this person still have you on their mind. The option was unexpected, guys. I was like, someone from your, okay, with the King of Pentacles, they're thinking of you, they're thinking to get you back for their long term. They want to be with you for a very long time. They're thinking to restart the button with you. They really want to be with you, or this is something not for a temporary. They want to be with you for a very long time. Really, they want to spend some time with you, not just for a temporary. They want to be for a very long time. Okay, this is someone like that. Okay, let me see what else I can say about this person. They really are planning to come to you back and approach you and ask you what will you decide if I come back to your life. They're feeling the loss right now. Option 2, they're really feeling the loss. They're like, they have everything in their life, they lead their life very well, they have coins, they have money, but right now there is something missing. That is you. They got to know that is you. Definitely they're feeling the loss, they're feeling the pain. They will come to you with a judgment. They have this is not something happened all of a sudden. This is not something actually happened all of a sudden. They've been suffering thinking about you from a very long time. Option 2, this person, but they didn't made any decision. They kept you, and it was like a wound. For them it was like a wound, never cured, like that type of wound. Now they're finally taking decisions on you. They're making decisions on you, because they can't live without you. You are in their mind from a very long time. This is not something happened all of a sudden and this person is coming your route. It is not like that. They had you in their mind from, I think this breakup, it happened long ago, and this much time they were working for their career, and right now they're making decisions about you, they're taking decisions about you, they're feeling the loss which they had in their life. They can't live without you. Okay, they're working very hard to get you back. Option 2, this person is working very hard. This person is really working hard to get you back. They're doing every sort, anything they're giving a one last try. They're not giving up. They're giving it a one last try. Will I get this person or not? Just a one last try will do. I can't live this without this person. This is definitely your ex. Option 2, if you don't have any ex, then relate it to someone. It can be your friendship, or someone with whom you broke your friendship, someone you lost connection with. This person is again trying to get you back. They're trying one last time, and something fairness will come here. Don't worry, everything will be decided very soon. Justice is coming your way. It means something they held it for from a very long time. They felt the loss from a very long time. Okay, so they're working hard to get you back. Something soon is going to get justice. Okay, something soon is going to get the justice, and this person is sad right now. This person is very sad, thinking about you. I think this person is currently texting you, trying to approach you, trying to know each and everything about you, what happened after I left this person. There are bit of confusion. What will they decide? Will they come with me? Or yeah, this person is right now with in doubt or in confusion, very curious to know, will you come back to them? Okay, this person is ex sorry. It can be someone with whom you really broke your relationship. It can be any type of relationship. This person is settled now, well settled. They handle their life very well, and this is not something happened very randomly. They saw you somewhere walking street, and they thought like coming back to you. It's not like that. They had you in their mind from a very long time. It was like a wound, making them feel the pain all the time, but they couldn't cure it. But right now they're working hard for it. One last try. They're giving it a one last try. They're not giving it up, but they're curious what will you do. But something is coming out soon. Option 2, something justice is coming out for your relationship. You're in that person's mind for sure. That is all for the option 2. The reading was very long for sure. If you guys like the video, then give me that big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. Please do consider subscribing my channel. I shall see you in my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Option 3 people, those who choose the option 3, so your reading is here for the question, whose mind are you on? Okay, let me pull some cards to know whose mind are you on. Option 3. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Here I'll be uploading pick a card videos. You guys can also suggest me what type of videos you wish to watch in future. Yeah, you guys, yeah, okay, let me see what cards. Whose mind are you on? Option 3. Whose mind are you on? Show me the cards. Oh my god, the Hangman came. Okay, let me just see. Yes, you got a star, you got 4 of cups, you got the Hanged Man. Okay, with this thing I can relate this to someone who is a bit of confused right now, way to concentrate. They're a bit of confused person in your life. They're now thinking, they're regretting about you, or they're thinking too much about you. Where shall I they couldn't concentrate in their career. This is someone, I think this can be your recently, I mean someone with whom you recently had an argument. It can be your ex also. Someone thinking deep about you. Who is this? Let me pull some more cards. They're not able to concentrate in their career because of you, because they're thinking a lot about you. This is your ex for sure, or this is your present lover or present boyfriend with whom you're in relationship. Okay, this is your present boyfriend or a girlfriend with whom you're in relationship. That person is thinking a lot about you because they are feeling so much possessed. They're feeling so possessed. They're always they're not able to concentrate in their career or in their education or in their life because of you. They're feeling like, what is that they're holding back here? What are they thinking too much? They're thinking too much. They could not concentrate on their goal. They're thinking too much about you. You have in their mind. Option 3, this is your present relationship, or someone who is very close to you right now, with whom you really speak on daily basis. You meet this person, you interact with this person, you go out with this person, you really have a lunch with this person. It is someone close to you, someone in your friends gang. They really want to be with you. They really want to celebrate each and every moment with you. Option 3, this is someone who is like a child-like character, but it is not a younger person for sure, not a younger person, but someone who is having a childlike heart, someone who is innocent around you. Think of a person who acts very innocent around you, who really make them feel like a childlike behavior, someone who is like a child behavior. Okay, you are on their mind, in their mind, who is someone who you see them on a daily basis, or you text to them daily. Like it can be just a good morning message, but daily you text them, you speak to them, or you look at them at least. Someone around you. Option 3, someone around you, or it can be your present relationship. This person is too much into you. They're not able to concentrate on their career or on their goal. They're too much thinking about you. What is that happening with them? Who is this person? Someone around you for sure. Option 3, someone who is around you. You speak to them on daily basis, or you look them at least, you smile them. They're having you in their mind. They really want to spend their future, their days, you light their day. You really make them, oh my god. Let me just, okay. Okay, this is the card which fell down, was Ace of Wands. I think this person is full of passionate. Option 1, this person is full of passionate. They are about to make a move. This person is full of abundance. You can relate this to someone around you. Option 3, those who choose the option 3, this is someone definitely who is around you, who is who does everything with full of passionate, full of excitement. Someone around you who is full of excitement when it comes to any work or anything, project or anything. If you go around them, they really become excited. Or someone does everything with full of passion. Someone is stable with their financial environment. Like someone is very, very social with people. Like they really converse with people, or they really have a very good bond others with your surrounding. Someone who really speak to you on a daily basis. Someone is very good at making friendship, making connection with people. Someone is very excitement with their life. Someone who does everything with full of excitement. Option 3, this is someone who is full of excitement, like full of passion, who does everything with full of excitement. This person is hiding with you that they love you. Okay, they love you, but this person is hiding it from you. Option 3, whoever this person is, they're hiding. They're not able to express that you are on their mind. I think this person might have not just that deep connection, or this person has you in their mind. Like they're hiding it. They don't want to show you. They really don't want to show you. This person who speaks gossip, who speaks who make comedy when you are around them, or when people are around them, this person make them feel happy or make them feel love for a joke. They really does very peaches or any sort of random stand-up comedy. Okay, they really mingle with people. They speak a lot. They are very good at communication. They're very good at making friendship. This is someone around you, or you watch them, or you look at them on a daily basis. Let me pull some more cards to know who is this person. Who are you with? I mean, who is having you on their mind? What type of feelings do they have towards you? Or if you know them, this is someone around you, or someone who is not far away from you, or it can be your present relationship. This person is having you in their mind. for sure. Don't worry, people, option 3 who are in relationship, because this person is not able to concentrate on their career because of you. They're too much into you. They like want to, they really want to make you laugh or make you feel special. They really want to make all the things for you, random surprises. They're working very hard. They're working very hard to impress you. They're working very hard to, you know, to make something progress with you and their relationship. They're trying to progress the relationship. This is definitely someone around you, option 3, and you can notice it also that this person is having some feelings on you, or this person has you on their mind. You can relate this to someone, and you will definitely get to know that because of this person's attitude, this person will make sure that you encounter it, that they have you on their mind. Okay, this person does the random things when it comes to you. This person don't think twice. They just does a random things. If you go and ask them help, yes, 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 sure. They don't even ask what type of help you want. They just do it for you, only for you. Yeah, this person is someone who is arrogant, who is very excitement, or who uses their power all the time, or who don't care what other people think. This person just does very fast, everything very quick, finish up the work very quick. This is someone in between 20 to 25ish, that type of age. You can relate this to someone. This is your partner. Who are in relationship, definitely this is your partner, no one, nobody else. Who are who are single, it can be someone who is around you, who really speak to you, who you daily converse, or you might have feelings on this person for sure. Yeah, you are in their mind. They're working very hard to make your bond very strong, but they're hiding it, that they have some feelings for you, or they have you on their mind. They really want to be with you for a long time, very long time. They can do anything for you, anything you go and ask. They are ready to come anywhere or ready to do anything for you. They are very good at it, and right now they're working very hard. They're rejecting each and every options which is coming for them. It can be in a job, or it can be anything, friend requests or anything. They're too much into you. They're rejecting everything else. They just want to make your bond very strong. Okay, that is all for the option 3. If the reading was interesting, then please give me that big like. You guys can please subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. I shall see you in my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, those who choose the option 4, so your reading is here for the question, whose mind are you on? Okay, it can be anyone whom you thought in your mind. It can be anyone you can relate to. You guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. You got the very first card as 6 of Pentacles. Okay, and the 7 of Pentacles. Who is kind of very mature person. What I think is, this person is someone who is normal in front of others, but deep inside they have a loss, or they have a heartbreak. Deep inside they're thinking of a heartbreak, or Knight of Cups. What is going on between you and this person? What is the relationship? We got the 9 of Pentacles also. We got the 6, 7 and the 9 of Pentacles. Okay. This person is single with full of abundance. I think this person is someone, your ex. This person is your ex with whom you had a relationship or broke down. You really broke down something happened between you guys. It can be your friendship. Something happened between you and this friend, and right now you both are not in connection. They act like very normal people in front of others. With when it comes to others, they really act like a normal who give and take. They really does a very good job, but when it comes to you, they think a lot, because they want you back in their life, but there are bit of intention, like, will you come back to them? Will you really come back to them? They're thinking a lot. Option 4, this is your ex, or with someone you had a relationship or broke the relationship recently. This person still have love on you. They're still having that love towards you. They're holding it. They're dreaming of you. They're thinking of you daily. They have daily, once in a day, definitely they're gonna think about you. How can I make this relationship happen again? Or something argument happened between you guys, and they're thinking, they're full of abundance, they're working for them. Actually, they're not out of track, they're not out of track thinking about you. I got the third option, like they were out of track. Okay, but this person is not out of track. They know how to handle their career and your the relationship between you guys, but it is not working out right now. The relationship between you is not working out. They're a bit of stressed, everything is going on well, only the thing is mine and this fourth option relationship. I think this is someone your ex for sure. They're making it right. They're evaluating everything what happened between you and this person. They're evaluating it and coming to a decision, because they, when you are there, they're not able to move forward. It is not like they really want to move forward, but they're a bit of influenced. They are a bit of tension that this my feelings towards you, what they have feelings for you, that might affect their career. On that basis, this person is coming towards you for sure. They really want to make it right, because they don't want to lose their career. I feel like that they really don't want this to affect their career. That is why they're evaluating it and making it right. It can be they're not bothered, or they really want you back. Okay, they really want you back because they still have love towards you. Right now they're full of abundance. They really worked hard for their career. Right now, I think you took a break, or this person didn't come to you these many days because they were too much into their making money or getting their career to the very stable point, or making it a very right thing, or making this person work really hard to come to a very good position. They're earning good money right now, and they have everything. The only thing is they don't have you. And you are this person is neglecting to change, or you are someone who is neglecting to change, or um, they're not actually sharing exactly what they have in their mind. They're full of abundance, that is for sure. They have full of abundance. They don't have any lacking money in their life. They have reached the final stage of their life when it comes to career. They're well settled, and they're not exactly sharing this with you, but they're thinking, they're keeping in their mind, they're thinking, not exactly sharing with you. Exactly, not sharing with you. Okay, what else can I know about this person? Who is this person? Like, this is your ex, or someone you really had argument recently. They're thinking of the argument right now. Option 4. This person wants to make it right, make it everything right. They're coming soon to make a decision about your relationship, because they can't keep it for a very long time, because it is like a wound. It will give them pain daily. They can't concentrate exactly where they want to concentrate, because they have you on their mind. They think about you, they dream about you, they really have you on their mind. Okay, they're resisting to express this in front of you. They really are not opening up with you right now. Okay, what else? This is someone your ex. Okay, with a 6 of Swords, I think this person will come towards you, or this person is someone travel towards you, or definitely gonna try to make everything right soon. This person will soon come to you. Option 4, they're coming towards you. They really want to make it right. Option 4. Now their focus is on you. Everything they want is you. Their focus is on you. They're traveling towards you. They're trying to get you back in their life. They want you back, and they want to be with you forever. They want to make a very good future with you. They're right now, they will come to you back. Option 4. This is someone your ex for sure. They really think of you. They feel bad about what happened between you. This person took a break for a very long time to make their career. Right now they want to know, are you single or not, because they want to be with you, or they want to make a better future with you. They're finally making a decision. What is happening between you guys? Finally coming to a decision. They're making it happen, because thinking is over, coming to the evaluation and making the very good judgment between you guys, and they're trying to working out for you to make it happen. Okay, to make it happen. This is your ex, or someone with whom you recently had relationship with. for sure. This is someone with whom you really had a very good relationship and a give and take relationship. Both of you had respect each for each other. It can be a friend also. Both of you really shared your passion, or I think that you really had a very bad conflict or very bad past, or something happened. You both argued a lot, and you both went apart. You apart each other. You distanced from each other. Um, there was nothing to gain. What happened in front of you, all that was lost. There nothing happened that good. Nothing good happened with you guys with that argument. All the thing happened is you lost each other. You lost each other. Okay, so you're coming back to gain them in their life, to get them back in their life. Option 4, someone is coming to you who had you all this time, still they get a better, till they become settled in their life. They had you all this time. It is not something happened all of a sudden. Okay, this person is thinking about you. This can be your ex or someone, a very close friendship with whom you shared everything, every secret, everything you shared with this person. This person has, you can relate to someone with whom you really shared your secrets. It can be your close friend also. It can be your relationship, ex also. Okay, this person is coming towards you to make it, clear it out, to clear all everything happened in between you, that they're coming back to clear, and they want to be with you forever. Okay, that is all for the option 4. If you guys like the video, then please give me that big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing my channel, and you guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. I shall see you all in my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.